Gizmo AI Flashcards app, new viral app in education, new viral AI app. Super cool. I will just show you how it works. Basically, you can learn anything with this app, add information. For example, you have like 2 hour YouTube video and you want to learn it, or you have your lecture recorded or audio file or whatever. And then you can create quizzes from it. And the easiest way to learn: import anything, scan notes, quizzing, spaced repetition, pre-made decks, gamified. Super cool app. I think it's one of the best apps so far I was using with AI. So for example, let's say I have 2 hour lecture from YouTube. I can just import that and then have it instantly generates card for me. This is like a history lecture. And I just want to create cards and learn that. So this is basically was the lecture about Japan in World War II. And then it's, as you can see, it's just literally generating all the cards and all the questions how I can learn it. So it's super perfect app for teachers and also for yourself. So you can use another app just to summarize this kind of 2 hour, 3 hour video, learn it quickly, and then create cards and learn with them. As you can see, all of this, it's both true or false, it's tables, it's answers with languages. Super powerful thing, as you can see. Wow. And so this is the idea. And then yeah, and then for example you can just move all of these things, and then you can just learn, understand, learn step by step, or challenge, play with your friends, and then you can just so these are 2 points, and then you can just say it like explain like I'm 5 or more detail. And then you just kind of learn it like that. So this way, this is the first way, and then there is memorize, and then you don't have explanation in this quiz. Nope. And then you can just have hint. So as you can see, that's how so that's how you learn in here. And then you can just challenge, then you can play with your friends. So there are 3 modes, and then you can share with link and then just play with your friends in here. So that's the idea in here, and then you can just see that's how you start learning that. And then again, different cards, everything is created for you, everything is like AI. Then you can just find friends, to find friends, and then you can just add friends by that. Then you can also invite friends and then just get 10 super hearts per invite. Pretty cool. Let me just share it with you. So here you can just use my code, join me in Gizmo AI invite here. So that's pretty cool. That's the idea. So this is my profile. Yeah, quite cool. Haptics, sounds, deleting accounts, sign in security. Decks are, you can also make public decks and share the link to them. You can see your progress, how you're learning. All your decks, all your public decks. Cool. This is, one of those apps which kind of creates an industry itself. I think this is, like the apps like SlideShare, like years ago, or things like that, where people were creating slides. So with this app, you can just create these AI flashcards and just use it. Cool. And then you can just add friends in here. Just find, I don't know, you can just follow them by username and then just add it, whatever. And then you can see decks in their school, streaks, very gamified app. So definitely give it a try.